Boo and Friends.
Hi. Oh.
I need a plate, a plate, a plate. I need a plate to get my food. If I don't have a plate, I can't get my food. That's why I need a plate.
Yeah.
I need a fork, a fork, a fork. I need a fork to eat my food. If I don't have a fork, I can't eat my food. That's why I need a fork.
Aha. Oh.
I need a knife, a knife, a knife. I need a knife to cut my food. If I don't have a knife, I can't cut my food. That's why I need a knife.
Aha. Yeah.
I need a glass, a glass, a glass. I need a glass to drink my juice. If I don't have a glass, I can't drink my juice. That's why I need a glass.
Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And hit that like button. It really helps recommend our videos to other parents on YouTube.